Sisters Waterfall. So I'll take you guys with me. I know you guys will enjoy this one. It's a very, very beautiful waterfall with a very big pool. So I look forward to showing you guys and bringing you all along on my experience. Yes guys, so this is the entrance to Seven Sisters Waterfall. You'll see this sign. So it's also called St. Margaret's Fall. So it's St. Margaret's or Seven Sister Waterfall. And you come into this road right here, you drive in, and then you have about a 40-minute hike. And we're at the entrance to the waterfall now. So we'll drive down to as far as we can get, and then we have to hike. I think the hike is roughly around 40 minutes to the waterfall. But trust me, it's worth it. It's 100% worth it. Full flowers, wow, very nice. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Alright, so we think, even though I have been here before, I don't fully remember the path, but I think this is the path. So we walk down, we hike all the way down to the waterfall. From here, I think it's about 40 minutes from what I remember. Not 100% sure, but I think so. Yeah, something like that. So we have a group of people with us because, you know, we're gonna go deep into the forest and it's good to have people with you. So yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Yay! I see river. We are making progress. Progress. So this is the river. We have to walk up the river a bit and then we'll get to the waterfall. So we'll walk up the trail on the side of the river and we'll soon be at the falls. Guys, we are here. Look at it. Amazing. Seven Sister Waterfall. Look at that big pool here. And there's a very nice one up there. And the other falls are higher up in the mountain, but we can't make it that far. So these two are the most commonly visited ones where everyone comes. Amazing.
Don't go too deep. Can't save you. Cool, right?
Yes guys, so it's been awesome. I highly recommend that you visit the Seven Sister Waterfall. It's a really nice experience. I had loads of fun swimming and just chilling here. So I hope you enjoyed. Bye.